Hello, this is Willie. January the 12th and lesson 12. I'm upset because I see a meaningless world. Remember yesterday, my meaningless thoughts are showing me a meaningless world? But today I'm upset because I see a meaningless world. Got a couple things to tell you real quick before we go. I'm pretty excited. At the same time I started my microgreens, I started some sprouts. Look how well these mung beans have done. Uh, I think that wintertime living foods are very, very important for us. So I've just decided to take a lot of time and learn how to do this stuff, which I haven't. I've been so busy either raising kids or trying to make money that I haven't really taken the time to do what I really like to do. So anyway, mung bean sprouts. Give them a little green today. They're already looking pretty nice. Should be ready to eat this afternoon. As a matter of fact, I'll have some for lunch here in a few minutes. And this lunch, I'm looking forward. The ones that know me pretty good may notice that I look a little thin. Well, I'd like to tell you why that is. For the last 21 days, today's 22, I've been on a nothing but water fast and lost a few pounds. Did it for health and spiritual reasons. I think it's good for us to fast. I think our ancestors did it out of necessity, and that we have evolutionary bodies that somewhat require it. Anyway, let's get on to our lesson. I'm upset because I see a meaningless world. I'm upset because I see a meaningless world. And in this lesson, he's going to tell us the ultimate purpose of these exercises right towards the end of the lesson. So, the importance of this idea lies in the fact that it contains a correction for a major perceptual distortion. I'm upset because I see a meaningless world. You think that what upsets you is a frightening world, or a sad world, or a violent world, or an insane world. All these attributes are given it by you. The world is meaningless in itself. These exercises are done with eyes open. Look around you, this time quite slowly. Try to pace yourself so that the slow shifting of your glance from one thing to another involves a fairly constant time interval. Do not allow the time of the shift to become markedly longer or shorter, but try instead to keep a measured, even tempo throughout. What you see does not matter. You teach yourself this as you give whatever your glance rests on equal attention and equal time. This is a beginning step in learning to give them all equal value. I think I see a fearful world, a dangerous world, a hostile world, a sad world, a wicked world, a crazy world. Whatever comes to your mind, just say that to yourself. And so on, using whatever descriptive terms happen to occur to you. If terms which seem positive rather than negative occur to you, include them. For example, you might think of a good world or a satisfying world. If such terms occur to you, use them along with the rest. You may not yet understand why these nice adjectives belong in these exercises, but remember that a good world implies a bad one, and a satisfying world implies an unsatisfying one. All terms which cross your mind are suitable subjects for today's exercises. Their seeming quality does not matter. Be sure that you do not alter the time interval between applying today's idea to what you think is pleasant and what you think is unpleasant. For the purpose of these exercises, there is no difference between them. At the end of the practice period, add, "But I am upset because I see a meaningless world." What is meaningless is neither good nor bad. Why then should a meaningless world upset you? If you could accept the world as meaningless and let the truth be written upon it for you, it would make you indescribably happy. But because it is meaningless, you are impelled to write upon it what you would have it be. It is this you see in it. It is this that is meaningless in truth. Beneath your words is written the Word of God. The truth upsets you now, but when your words have been erased, you will see His. When your words have been erased, you will see God's. That is the ultimate purpose of these exercises. That makes me cry to think about it. All we're trying to do is get out of the way so God can be here in our perception. And the last paragraph. 3 or 4 times are enough for practicing the idea for today. Nor should the practice period exceed a minute. You may find even this too long. Terminate the exercise whenever you experience a sense of strain. So let's all look for the goodness of God everywhere, okay? Peace.